Coreless Paper Roll.
What is core? And what is coreless?
Benefits of Coreless Thermal Paper Roll.
Time-saving and convenient.
Coreless thermal paper simplifies replacement by eliminating the need to remove a core, saving time for users, especially during busy periods.
Longer paper length.
By eliminating the core, more paper can be wrapped on the roll, reducing reload frequency, saving costs, and improving work efficiency with longer usable length.
Save transportation cost.
The rolls have a smaller diameter, which translates into more rolls being able to be fitted into the carton box, hence lower transportation costs per roll.
Save storage cost.
Coreless thermal rolls save storage space compared to standard cord rolls of the same length, making it ideal for limited storage spaces.
Less dust.
Using paper cores and printers can lead to dust accumulation in the printhead, requiring regular cleaning to maintain print quality. Coreless thermal rolls reduce dust accumulation, prolonging the printhead's lifespan.
Environmental friendly.
Choosing coreless thermal rolls benefits the environment by reducing landfill waste from traditional cores.
Tension comparison.
Telepaper's Coreless Paper Roll is more compact and tight tension, thus give you longer paper length.
For order and inquiries, dive into our website at www.telepaper.com for more information.